I know everybody is wondering what is the easiest way of making podcast. So बहुत अच्छा solution है. The best creation tool that really giving you a platform to record, edit from like phones, computer, tab, anywhere. It is called Anchor.fm. Just go on Play Store, search Anchor.fm. You'll find it. Download it and start recording a podcast. The most impressive part, which I found for myself, I just have to upload or record my podcast without using anything. I can do it from my phone directly, and I just share it on Anchor and go. It goes on Spotify, Apple, Google, Overcast, everywhere. I don't have to singly go on every seconds and do on posting on everyone. It's like bare minimum time taking place. So you can make money out of this, you can spread your voice out of this, and it is very easy to use. Very important. Go on, download anchor.fm, and let's get started to podcast world. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is your host Preeti Prasad. I am again back with such a motivated and informative podcast. And thank you for sharing your comments on my previous podcast. Do save this podcast for your better use and for all those who relates to the podcast. Let's start. So I was reading a book and there I read something very interesting. I found interesting and I found relatable कि सबको मज़ा जरूर आएगा ये सुनने के बाद. So let me just take you through this instance where I saw a very great content, or a table rather. That's a record. That's a record of the great Abraham Lincoln. Yes, you heard it right. Abraham Lincoln. So he says, you may be disappointed if you fail, but you are doomed if you do not try. आप जब फेल होते हो आप डिसअपॉइंट हो सकते हो, पर अगर आप ट्राई नहीं करते हो तो इमेजिन योर सेल्फ कि आपको क्या क्या फीलिंग आएगी. प्लीज़ मेंशन ज़रूर करना, कमेंट करना कि आपको क्या फीलिंग आएगी अगर आप ट्राई नहीं करते हैं कोई भी काम करना. आई एम शेयरिंग यू अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ अब्राहम लिंकन. ही सेड इट्स अ रेयर पर्सन who does not get discouraged. एक रेयर ही इंसान होगा जो डिस्करेज नहीं होता है, whether it happens to us or to an associate we are trying to cheer up. The answer centers in one word: perseverance. बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है पर बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. The value of courage, persistence and perseverance has rarely been illustrated more convincingly than in life story for this man. This man record. I'll start with when he was 22 years old. He failed in business. He then ran a legislature. There he defeated at 23 years old. Again he started a business. He again failed. That was 24-year-old. He got elected as a legislator in 25 when he was 25. But some mishappening happened at 26 year of his life. He just unfortunately he missed. Someone died at his own very personal life. 27 years old, had a nervous breakdown. 29 years old, he defeated as a speaker. For speaker, he was defeated. 31 years old, he was defeated as elector. Then, continuing to 34 years, he was again defeated. And at 37, when he was 37 years old, he was elected to Congress. Then he again defeated for Congress, Senate, Vice President, then again defeated for Senate. At the age of 51 years, he was elected as President of United States of America. That's the record of Abraham Lincoln. And that is why he say, You may be disappointed if you fail, but you are doomed if you do not try. Guys, think back 1 second. Take 1 second from your life for yourself and just choose wisely. If you can't choose, then try. Don't hesitate from trying. Trying is best thing you can do in life. 18 साल 20 साल 25 साल की उम्र में सेटल होने के बारे में मत सोचो. ट्राई करो. ये सारी उम्र ट्राई करने के लिए है. उसके बाद सेटल हो जाओ ना. Why are you so specific about your work, your niche, your this, that? Why? Try everything. You should have hands on every mud so that you understand the sand quality. Hope you take some keynotes from this podcast. Hope you save it. Hope you share it with your friends, colleagues, person who needs this. It is very important. I have learned, I am learning, and I will be trying my best to raise this podcast, raise this voice to all of you. I just need your love and spread by saving and following me on all the platform of podcast. So I am available on the name of PKP Voice Show, Google, Spotify, Anchor, Apple Podcasts, Castbox, Overcast, many more. Have a good day. Thank you for listening to me.